Good afternoon. Today I'll be doing a quick little Hot Wheels unboxing video. Not little, maybe medium. I got a few cars. I got these 9. And I got these 2 that didn't fit in the frame. Look at how good they look. And then I'll show y'all my collection at the end. It ain't much, but it's honest. Gonna start off with this one. I don't really like it that much, but I got it only after I found out that it's actually a real life car. And also to give this guy a friend, because they're both Liberty Walk. Well, I'm gonna just tear it open because I don't really care that much for it, for this one. I see people go like this from the top. Why is this so hard? Oh gosh, I did it. Oh gosh, I just broke the plastic. Am I that strong? Oh, this is a terrible unboxing. There we go. Very nice. This one I don't really like that much either, but I still got it because I have a Porsche collection and it's nice. It's nice, but I don't like it that much. It's not my favorite, but I like it. So I'm gonna just tear this one open also. Oh, I'm getting better at it. This was a lot smoother. This is terrible. I just fucked up the whole box. Very nice. This one right here I do like a lot, and I want to preserve the box. You got some nail polish remover. You get you one of these, fill it up with nail polish remover, and then kind of feel where the plastic is with your backhand and kind of trace over it. Oh shit, too much. Never mind, not too. And then just go follow the plastic. There we go. Oh no, I did it the wrong way. Shit. It's okay. I was supposed to do the bottom. Now it's just all gonna come off. You let it rest for like a minute. Okay, it's been about a minute. So now flip it over and carefully pull up on it. There we go. Oh, great. Just what I needed. Actually, I like it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna just do that instead. Oh, look at it. Jeez Louise. Yeah, how good it looks. And here's the box. I can keep the box now. Well, I'm gonna just start doing that to all of them. Take everything off and just keep that. Ooh, that looks good. Yeah. I like that. I like that idea. Fuck this. These Porsches just look way too good. Look at it. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. Use nail polish to take it out the box. Cause I'm gonna keep the back thing. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Oh, very nice. Hey, another perfect one. Over there. These 2 are gonna go very nicely in my JDM collection. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna keep the box, the back part. Very nice. I don't really like this car either, but it feels right to have it. Ah, it's okay. It still looks good. Pretty nice. The peel ones are so very nice looking. I bought those two because I bought this one first. Just look at it. Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? I keep missing that top corner. Very nice. Oh my gosh. Absolutely ruined it. It's okay. I gotta be more careful. Oof. Look at this one. Jesus. And last but not least, I got these C6 Corvettes. This one's from, do y'all see that? 2006. And this one, 2004. It's been like, let me do math, 18 years since this one has seen fresh air. And this one like 16 years. Oh yeah, thanks for asking. This is actually my dream car. Yep, a C6 Z06. Oh yeah, no, yeah, I'll put some clips on here. Yeah, something like this. Look. But okay, enough chit chat, let's open them. Gotta be very careful. Ah, fuck. No, I'm gonna keep this one like this, so I can preserve that right there. It's gonna peel all the way off, and it's gonna look messy. So I'm gonna keep those like that. Oh, it feels dusty. I don't know. Maybe it's because it's so old. Why? What is going on? I think they used to use a lot better glue back in the day. That's why. Oh, don't scare me like that. I'm gonna keep this one like this too. I'm gonna keep both of them like that. Goodness gracious, look at it. I don't really like the stripe on top, but it's kind of growing on me. I don't know. I kind of like it and I kind of don't. The stripe. Here's all the cards. This is pretty neat. It's like you get Hot Wheels and Pokemon cards all at the same time. Look, you got your cards. I like it. I'm gonna start doing this with all the ones that I like. Here's all the new ones.